To keep your pond or water garden healthy and beautiful, it is important to add pond plants, which minimize water feature maintenance and improve water conditions by absorbing excess nutrients. The Aquascape Floating Plant Island makes it easy to create a beautiful, one-of-a-kind floating plant island for displaying your favorite pond plants in deeper areas of ponds while protecting plant roots from hungry pond fish. Our floating plant island is great for a wide variety of pond plants, including marginals like papyrus, taro, creeping jenny, and more. The buoyant design allows the island to stay afloat at the surface of the water, and the integrated anchoring loop keeps the island tethered to your desired location of the pond. The fine porous fabric allows water to permeate the soil in the island while preventing soil from escaping and entering your pond, helping to keep your water clean and clear. The black color of the fabric allows the island to blend easily into the surface of the water for an extremely natural look. The Aquascape Floating Plant Island measures 15 inches long by 11 inches wide. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.